Hi everybody, and today we're at the airport.
Hey, over here.
We're going to Florida.
Hey.
And
over
so
here.
now we're waiting for the airplane, and
Hey,
my
over
brother's
here. Hey.
coming.
Hey, over here.
I guess
Hey, over
he
here.
wants to be seen, but I think he should wait a little bit. Okay. Hi everybody, and today we're on a stroller in the Disney's Animal Kingdom. And we went on security before. Now we're sitting in the stroller, chilling. Oh, okay, Brandon, maybe I will still have to do it first before. Let me finish up.
Hi, Brandon.
From Disney World.
I don't know what's going on, but we are going to have so much fun.
We are not allowed to stop inside the reserve.
Which ride
Go
are
the
we?
tight rope.
Which ride are
It'll be
we?
a while before we see dropped items again.
The safari ride.
But now we're just waiting on our clearance to head into the reserve. You always need permission. So I am also going to help out with all of the animal identification. Any other elephants in the area? Adult male elephant, other types of rhinos. These animals weigh between 4,000 and 6,000 pounds in full growth.
What are those?
They also tend to be a little bit more social.
What are those?
They like to stay in larger groups. A group of rhinos, known as a crash.
The kids are fighting over mac and cheese.
I love it so much. Today.
Animals to stay warm in the winter, and then, hi everybody, and today we are at the Magic Kingdom. And Brandon is being super rude right now for some reason. Cause my
funny.
What?
well, no, we need to be serious. So basically, now we're gonna try at least to get ice cream. But basically, I don't think we will. But it's still hot. The ice cream melts. It's like, yeah. And today we are going to Adventureland. Let's go. See there? People are blocking, so I don't think you can see. But it's right here. There's like this Ferris wheel thingy. And those people, why are they covered in maps? I don't know. Maybe it's their thing.
Whatever the dog is.
Hi everybody, and we are waiting in line. It's taking forever, and I do not like this, and it's raining. So basically, we just have to wait in line, like forever. Well, I am not. You guys are not gonna believe this, but look how long of a line it is. It goes all the way over there to over here where the boat is.
Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage.
Oh no, what happened? Oh, it's getting faster.
Pictures of yourself.
Feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca.
And you will all be happy here. There's so many stars to wish upon tonight.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us, and when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
actually watch the fireworks.
Today, Mr. Brandon is sleeping through the fireworks. I don't know how that's possible, but he did it. Mr. Brandon, can you say something? Guess not.